I grew up in Dorset, southwest England. I think something that people very, very readily do with me, and probably with a lot of other artists, is to think that every piece of work is complete autobiography from the last 2 years of their life. I like music to feel that it's gone inside my heart and opened me up in a very sensitive, emotional way, because that is what music is for me. It's not an intellectual or political medium. It's an emotional medium that you don't need words for. I've always been extremely affected by what's going on in the world. I think I felt a greater urgency to want to try and put some of this into song. And I think also for myself, having a bit more experience now, having been writing songs for a longer amount of time, I had the confidence with which to try and approach such giant subject matter in song, which is something I'd avoided for a long time because I didn't feel that I had the skills as a writer with which to do it. And I wanted to make the music have a sense of unification, of bringing people together, of celebration.